Hello students, welcome back to today's video session class. In the last video class we have done the chapter symmetry, rotation and reflection. That is a very easy chapter that we have completed on that video class. Today in this video class I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 18, that is mensuration. In this mensuration chapter, generally we find the area and perimeter of the different figures. The figures may be plane figure or maybe solid figure. In this chapter we will do all the area of the plane figures like rectangle, square, circle, triangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, etc. And also we will find the area, volume and surface areas of three-dimensional figures like cylinder, okay, cube and cuboid. So first of all, in this exercise, before starting the exercise, we will do some formula of this chapter to find the. You have already have this formula chart in your book. I'm not going to write it on the board. Just you follow it from your book. The area of the triangle, first is the area of triangle is equal to half into base into h. Then area of rectangle, you know, length into breadth. Area of a square is side into side or side square. Area of parallelogram is a new one, that is base into height. Area of a circle, you know, pi r square. And perimeter also there. Perimeter of a rectangle is a 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Parallelogram is 2 into L plus B, and perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the three sides, okay, A plus B plus C, if it is in X scaling. And perimeter of a circle, that is called circumference of a circle, that is called 2 pi r. So there are so many other formulas also that we will discuss it in this chapter while doing the sums. So first of all, we will start from question number exercise number 18.1. The first question is given: the length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 9:5 if the area of the field is 14580 meter square. Find the cost of surrounding field with a fence of at the rate of 3.25 per meter. Okay, so the question is given here. The ratio of length and breadth of the rectangular field is given 9:5, and area of the field is also given. Now you have to find the total cost of constructing a boundary around the field or the fence of around the field at the rate of rupees 3.25. Okay, so for that, to find the total cost of the boundary, first of all we have to find the perimeter of the field, because boundary is always done in the periphery of the field. So we have to find the perimeter. So to know the perimeter, first of all, what we have to know the length and breadth of the field, but we don't know length or breadth of the field, only its ratio is given. That means first from the ratio and the area we have to first find the area of the length and breadth of the field. After that we have to find the perimeter, then the total cost of fencing. So let us start with the exercise. The first here exercise we are doing is 18.1. okay, the first question that we are doing here is question number 1. So ratio, it is given ratio of length to breadth is given 9:5. So 9:5. So let the length be 9x and breadth be 5x, and here area is given. Area equals to 14580 meter square area is given. So we can write 9x into 5x means length into breadth is equal to total area 14580. So you can see here 9 into 5 is 45, x into is x square. So you can write 45x square is equal to 14580. So x square is equal to 14580 divided by 45. Now you can do the cancellations. So first 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10 is 45, 5 9s are 45. So only 8 is there, 5 1s are 5 is 30, 3 is left, 30, 5 6 are 30. So it's 9 plus 10, 8, 16 plus 2, 18. So it will be divided by, its sum is 18, so it can be cancelled by a 9 only. So 9 3s are 27, carry over 2. So 21, so it is 21. So you can take 9 2s are 18, carry over 3, 36, 9 4s are 34. So x is equal to now root over 324. So that is equal to, when you break the square root, you will get 18 meter. So x is 18. So don't write meter here. So first you will find the length. So therefore length is equal to, we have taken 9x means 9 into 18. So 18 9s are 2, 162 meter. Okay. Then breadth is equal to 5x. So 5 into 18, that is equal to 90 meter. Now so we have got the length and breadth both. Now you can find the perimeter. So right, therefore perimeter of the field is equal to 2 into L plus B. So that is equal to 2 into 162 plus 90. So what we will get, 2 into 2, 9 plus 6, 55, carry 1, 252, that is equal to is 405, 540 meter is the perimeter. Now you have to find the total cost at the rate of rupees 3.25. So right, therefore total cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 3.25 is equal to 3.25 into 504. So whatever you will get the answer, you just do the rough work. So 504 into 325, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, cross 2 4s are 8, 0 2 5s are 10, cross 3 4s are 12, carry 3 5s are 15. So 0 0 6 and 1 7 8, it's 3, it's 6 1. So put 2 left with, here is a decimal, so left 2 places from the right side. So it will be 1638. So total cost of fencing is rupees 1638. This is the final answer of this question. Okay. So in this way you have to do the question. After that, another question which I am going to take is a parallelogram. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given, a 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter, and the distance between the longer side is 12 centimeter. We have to find the area distance between the shorter side. So first you understand the question, what is the question asked. For that you just draw the rough figure of a parallelogram. You have already know what is a parallelogram, whose opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. You have to done in your understanding shapes chapter. So here the adjacent sides are given 24 and 18 centimeters. Suppose it is it is 24 centimeter and this side is 18 centimeter, and the distance between this longer side is, this height is given 12 centimeter, and you need to find the distance between these two shorter side, means these two have to find this height. Okay, so whichever height you and base you take, the area of the figure does not change. If you take this height and this base, you will get the area. If you take this base and this height, you will get the same area because figure is the same. So you can write here the name A, B, C, D. You take this height as H1 and this take height as H2. Okay, so here you can write area of parallelogram A, B, C, D is equal to, you can take both. First base is AB and height you take H1, that is equal to, if you take this base BC, and the height will be H2. So here the base AB is given 24 and you know the height also, that is 12. You know the base BC 18, but you don't know the height H2, that's you have to find. So by solving this implies H2 equals to 24 into 12 by 18. So 6 2s are 12, 6 3s 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So therefore H2 is equal to 8 2s are 16. Hence you can write, hence the distance between the shortest side is equal to 16 centimeter. This is the answer. So in this way you have to find this question. Next question is given, another question I am going to do, that is question number 6. An ant is moving around a food pipe piece of different shapes in this figure. You have to find the which food piece would have ant have it and take the longer round. Means you have to find the perimeter of this figure. The first one is the semicircle. You can easily find the radius in number 1. Question number 6, number A. Here the diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. So you can, from this you can find R is D by 2. So 22.8 by 2, that is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Now you can find the perimeter. So therefore perimeter of the semicircle is equal to half of 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r means pi r, 2 pi r is the circumference perimeter, and now you have to find the this curved portion only, and then after you have to find the first the curved portion, and you have to also find the add this diameter. So you have to add it over here. So that's why I have written the perimeter, not the circumference. Then it is equal to the D, that is the diameter. Now you can find 2 cancel. So you can take in place of pi, you can write 22 by 7 and radius is 1.4 plus diameter is 2.8 is already given in the question. Now you at the point 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 22 by 5, you can find it in ratio point also. It will be 4 5s are 20, 4.4 plus 2.8, that is equal to 4 plus 8 is 12, 2 carry over 1, 4 plus 1 is 2 is 6 plus 1 7 is 7.2 centimeter. Okay. In a semicircle this the ant is have made the round 7.2 centimeter. Now you have to find the perimeter of the second figure also. In the second figure you can see the three sides are given and one is the curved portion. So you can find just the circumference of the curved portion and you have to add this remaining three sides. You will get the answer. So in the second part, we'll do this question here. Now this portion is given 2.8 centimeter. From here to here it is given 2.8 centimeter, and the vertical portion is given 1.5 centimeter. Is given 1.5 centimeter this portion. That means this is, if it is 2.8, it will, here it is also 2.8 centimeter. If it is 1.5, then this portion is also 1.5 centimeter. Now you have to find the circumference of this portion. So you can write circumference of semicircle is equal to 2 pi r by 2. So 2 cancel. Now you have to find the r also. It is r is not given. So diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. So therefore r is equal to 2.8 by 2, that is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So pi value is 22 by 7 into 1.4. So take 10 0, 7 2s are 14, it's 5, 22 by 5 is 4.4 centimeter. Now therefore total distance traveled by the ant is equal to 4.4 plus this portion 1.5, then this portion 2.8, and the third portion is this one, is 1.5. Now add them up. 5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3, and that's 2.8 plus 4.5 is 7.2, and 3 is 10.2 centimeter. Okay, this is 10.2 centimeter. Now the next question, next part of the question is C. Why I have taken this question? That means in this question we have to we are finding the mainly the circle portions. So that's why I have chosen this question. Yes. The next question, I will do this over here. I'm not rubbing this question because this is the first part of the question number 6. So I'm not going to rub that. The next question, the figure is like that. Okay. Here the circumference is, radius is given 2.8 centimeter. Here this portion is 2.8 centimeter, and two radius are given 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, and this is portion is also 2 centimeter. Now just you have to find the circumference of the semicircular portion and you can add them, and you will get the total perimeter of the figure. So first of all you have to find the perimeter of the circumference. It is C. So again you can write circumference is equal to of semicircle. right, sorry, of semicircle is equal to 2 pi r by 2. So 2 cancel. So 22 by 7, and again the radius portion is 1.4. So 10, it's 5, sorry 2, and 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 22 by 4, 5 is 4.4 centimeter. So therefore total distance traveled by the ant is 4.4 plus this 2 portion, 2 plus 2, that is equal to 8.4 centimeter. So in the first portion, the total length traveled by the ant is 7.2 centimeter, the second is 10.2 centimeter, and third is the 8.4. That means the second portion, ant has to travel longer distance to eat the food. So in this way you have to find this question. Okay students, I hope you have understood these questions. In the next video class I will explain some more questions from this exercise. Very important and very big chapter. It will take bit time to complete this exercise. Okay students, hope you have all understood. Thank you very much for watching this video.